stiff joints that ache when you wake up in the morning, a heavy stomach that feels slow and uncomfortable after even a simple meal, dry, itchy skin that loses its glow no matter how many creams you try, rising blood pressure, creeping cholesterol numbers, fatigue that hits you earlier each day, and a memory that doesn't feel as sharp as it once did. For many people after 50, these issues don't show up all at once. They creep in quietly, little by little, until they become part of daily life. You start to think, this is just aging, and accept it as normal. But the truth is, these are warning signs that your body is running low on something essential, the healthy fats and antioxidants it needs to keep every major system strong. What most people don't realize is that a simple ingredient sitting in almost every kitchen has the power to change this picture: olive oil. Known for centuries as liquid gold, olive oil isn't just for cooking. It's one of the most powerful natural protectors of the heart, brain, skin, joints, and digestion. Unlike refined oils and processed fats that damage circulation and fuel inflammation, olive oil feeds your cells with monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and powerful polyphenol that restore balance and strength from the inside out. And here's the part that surprises most people: these benefits don't take months or years to appear. In fact, even after just 7 days of daily use, olive oil can start triggering noticeable changes. Your circulation becomes smoother, digestion lighter, joints less stiff, skin more hydrated, and your energy more stable. This isn't theory. It's been proven in studies and confirmed in daily life by people who made the switch. Before we dive into exactly what happens in your body after 1 week of olive oil, I also want to remind you that I've created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. Inside, you'll find simple, proven habits that protect your heart, boost your energy, and slow down aging. You can grab it right now from the link in the description. The first and most immediate effect of olive oil is felt in the heart and circulation. After 50, stiff arteries and rising blood pressure silently increase the risk of heart disease. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats that lower bad LDL cholesterol while raising good HDL cholesterol, helping to keep arteries clear. Its polyphenol also protect the delicate lining of blood vessels from oxidative damage. Within just 1 week of daily use, circulation improves, blood flows more easily, and many people notice steadier energy and even lighter legs. These small changes in blood pressure and vessel flexibility are the first step toward long-term heart protection. The digestive system is another area that responds quickly. After 50, many people experience slower digestion, constipation, and bloating after meals. Olive oil stimulates bile production, helping the body break down fats more efficiently. It coats and soothes the stomach lining, lowering irritation and reducing acid-related discomfort. It also supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria, improving nutrient absorption. Within 7 days, digestion feels smoother, constipation eases, and bloating becomes less frequent. For many seniors, this single change makes mealtimes more comfortable and energy more stable. Olive oil also works on the joints and muscles. Its anti-inflammatory compounds, including oleocanthal, act in a way similar to mild natural pain relievers. This helps reduce swelling and stiffness in the joints, making it easier to move. Seniors who add olive oil to their daily meals often report that morning stiffness begins to ease and walking feels less painful after just a week. The magnesium and healthy fats in olive oil also help muscles contract and relax properly, reducing cramps and improving strength. The benefits extend to the skin as well. After 50, skin often becomes drier, thinner, and less elastic due to lower collagen production. Olive oil provides vitamin E and antioxidants that protect skin cells from damage, while its healthy fats restore hydration from the inside out. Within a week of daily use, skin often looks brighter and feels softer, as if it's regaining some of its youthful glow. Used directly as a natural moisturizer, olive oil can also reduce fine lines, heal dry patches, and protect against irritation. Finally, the brain and nervous system respond in powerful ways. Olive oil's healthy fats feed the brain, helping neurons communicate more efficiently. Its antioxidants reduce oxidative stress, which is one of the leading causes of memory decline and brain fog. Magnesium in olive oil calms the nervous system, improving sleep quality, while polyphenol protect against age-related cognitive decline. Within 7 days, many people notice clearer thinking, sharper focus, and better rest at night. These are the first steps toward long-term brain protection that olive oil provides when used consistently. And here's the key: these changes don't stop after a week. They build on each other, making the body stronger, more resilient, and more protected with each passing month. Olive oil doesn't just add flavor to food, it restores vitality across multiple systems that begin to weaken with age. And if you'd like to take these results even further, don't forget that I created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. It's a step-by-step resource with simple practices you can start today to support your heart, boost energy, and slow aging. You can grab it right now from the link in the description. So here's the bottom line. After 50, your body needs extra support to stay strong. The heart, the joints, the brain, the skin, and the digestive system all start to slow down, and if you don't give them the right fuel, the decline only continues. But olive oil, something as simple as 1 or 2 tablespoons a day, can begin to shift this picture in just 7 days. It lowers bad cholesterol and supports healthy blood pressure, making circulation smoother and energy steadier. It calms the stomach, improves digestion, and relieves bloating, so meals no longer leave you heavy and tired. It reduces stiffness in the joints and helps muscles work more effectively, making movement easier. It hydrates skin from within, restoring brightness and elasticity. And it nourishes the brain, sharpening memory, improving focus, and even supporting deeper, more restful sleep. The beauty of olive oil is that these changes don't just stop after a week. They build day by day, creating long-term protection for your heart, your brain, and your independence. 6 months from now, you can either still be struggling with fatigue, stiffness, and dry skin, or you can feel stronger, lighter, clearer, and more energized, all because you chose to make one simple habit part of your life. The choice is yours. And if you want to go even further, I created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. Inside, you'll find easy, proven steps you can start today to boost your energy, protect your heart, and slow down the effects of aging. You can grab it right now from the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more senior health tips. And let me know in the comments, type yes if you're ready to start adding olive oil to your routine, or no if you still have questions. Your health after 50 doesn't have to be about decline. With something as simple as olive oil, you can nourish your body, restore balance, and unlock the energy and vitality you still deserve every single day.